Stepping into the exciting world of LED advertising channel letters, every step from creativity to reality is inspirable from the assistance of precision machines. Today, let's uncover the veil of these mysterious machines and explore how they give life to advertising channel letterworks. First, laser engraving machine is not only the stylist of advertising channel letter characters, but also the cutters of the bottom plate and panel. Whether it's crystal board, acrylic, or PVC board, it can be easily handled and can create unique relief effects. When metal panels, such as galvanized or stainless steel, require precise cutting, fiber laser cutting machine or mixed laser cutting machines shine on the scene. Its efficient and precise cutting technology allows metal characters to exist perfect shapes. How to bend flat metal materials into shape. The channel letter bending machine is here to assist. It excels at slotting an edge, cleverly bending metal materials to make advertising text more three-dimensional. How to form characters be more stable. Channel letter laser welding machine can help. It efficiently welds and reinforces the font structure, ensuring the durability of advertising text. Whether you are focusing on a certain aspect or hope to have full control, these machines can meet your needs. Perfect Laser provides a one-stop solution to help you easily complete the processing of advertising words, allowing your creativity to be initially extended. Contact us to get more information and full quotations.